Move-in condition. Open floor plan ranch home. Built in 1994, this very well-maintained home is centrally located to the school and all amenities. Relax on your covered back porch overlooking the water. On those chilly days and nights, enjoy the family room wood-burning fireplace. House has many features that make for a comfortable and convenient home. Front room office allows you to work from home with high-speed internet. Storage abounds in the garage and full basement. Pictures say everything. Walk through the house with the virtual tour. Any sales contract is contingent on the Chautauqua County Surrogate's court issuing a letter appointing Virginia Ruderman as executor of the estate of Barbara Burkholder, said contingency to be removed on or before May 7, 2021.